Another case of alleged abuse, this time at a basic school in Portmore, St. Catherine. The Early Childhood Commission is investigating, but there's a twist in this story. The child's parent is accusing a teacher of being the perpetrator, but other parents tell a different story. TVJ's Herman Green explains.
The accusations are grave. A 2-year-old allegedly slapped so hard by an early childhood teacher, bruises were left all over his body. It's understood that the child just started attending the Smart Kids Basic School in Passageforth, Portmore, St. Catherine in January, but the mother confronted the school administrators about the bruises days later, the images circulating on social media. But on Thursday, the parents of other children at the institution protested at the school gate, defending the school.
The parent accusing the teacher of beating our son, and I don't think that is right, because that bruise, it just look like it just happened at the house, or the baby have an allergy. I don't think it's a teacher.
My son come to the school, and he's into the same classroom, and I have never yet had any of those problems or issues with any teacher or the principal at the school. The school is a very good school.
Attempts to speak with school administrators on the matter were unsuccessful, as they insist it's an active investigation. Executive Director of the Early Childhood Commission, ECC, Karen Deslandes, said while an official report was not made, an investigation was started based on the video seen online.
Well, what we saw on social media is a picture of the child, which, brought some concern. An inspector was assigned to do an investigation, which she went to do today. I am not able to comment on the investigation because she went today. And additionally, contact was made with the parent, and she'll be interviewed tomorrow. Ms.
Deslandes noted that Smart Kids Basic School has applied to be registered with the ECC. She said the school was given a 1-year permit to operate, which expires at the end of this month. Upon expiration, the facility will be inspected to see if they qualify for another permit or if it can be certified. In the meantime, other parents are adamant that the teacher and the institution are innocent.
I have a little girl here who is very mischievous, and if teachers were here beating children, she would be the first one to get some slap. So something definitely is going on. And for her to be just bringing the child for 1 week after children is here for umpteen years. Parents just pass here who have children reach very high school and have never gotten such a problem. Something else is wrong, and they need to clear the name of the school.
Herman Green, TVJ News.